Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer low carb egg life pizza. Let's begin. We'll be using Egg Life Italian style egg white wraps. It's 30 calories, 5 grams of protein, less than 1 gram of carbs, and 0 grams of saturated fat. Let's take one out. The first thing what we're going to do is spray some cooking oil onto the wrap. There we go. Turn it over, do the same thing. There we go. Next, we're going to cook the egg wrap and make it crispy. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees. And a total time of 4 minutes. And let's put it in. But before we put it in, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. And now let's put it in. We're going to cook it for 400 degrees for 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 2 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's check on the egg wrap. As you can see, it's wrapped, so we just reposition it. And if there are any air bubbles, you can just pop it with a fork. Now that we have it repositioned, we're going to put it back in for the last 2 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 4 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. It ballooned up. We're just going to take a fork and push it down. There we go. We're going to apply some pizza sauce. Next, we're going to take some mozzarella and provolone cheese and sprinkle it on top. There we go. We're going to sprinkle just a little bit of cheese first. Next, we're going to put some pepperoni on top. Next, you want to add some cheese on top, or else the pepperonis might fly off. There you go. The cheese should hold the pepperonis in place so that it doesn't fly off. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's air fry the low carb pizza. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 310 degrees for a total time of 5 minutes. And now let's put it in. We're just going to spray a little bit of cooking oil just to make sure it doesn't stick. And let's put in the pizza. And now let's put it in. We're going for 310 degrees for 5 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 5 minutes at 310 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. Let's take it out. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, low carb, egg life pizza. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.